Hello, I am John,
And I'm Nancy.
and
And
we
we
are
are
J&N
J&N
Travels.
Travels. We drove from New Hampshire to Florida to Snowbird for the first time and would like to share our tips and advice from our 3 months down south.
Today's video is on resort hopping. One of the things that we enjoy the most when we go down to the Disney World area is resort hopping, which is basically just exploring the different resorts. We usually leave days in between the park days to do this. There are
Yeah.
several different resorts to explore. Today's video, we would like to talk a little bit about resort hopping on the monorail.
Yeah.
The first thing you need to do when resort hopping around the monorails is you have to pick a resort to park your car at. So we choose one of three: Grand Floridian, Polynesian, or the Contemporary. Our favorite and the easiest one to get into the parking lot is the Polynesian, so keep that one in mind. The others we have parked at, but that's definitely the most centralized and easiest walk to the main lobby. So the main idea of resort hopping is to actually take the monorail and get off at the resort and
Mm-hmm.
explore the resort.
Yeah, they're fun to explore, that's for sure.
Well, there's the pools, there's the
Yeah.
restaurants, there's the
Yeah.
gift shops,
Gift shops are fun.
there's the grounds themselves,
Oh, they're beautiful. Yeah, especially the Polynesian. That's our favorite.
and you can spend the whole day at any.
You can.
Well, not the whole at one of them, but you can spend the whole day doing the circle.
Polynesian's fun because you can get a Dole Whip there. I like that.
And that's one of the main things we do at the Polynesian. So
Yeah,
let's start with the Polynesian. We
sure.
get off in the lobby,
Yep.
gorgeous lobby.
Gorgeous.
Everything's tropical, right?
Yeah. Feels
People,
like you're in the Polynesian.
right. And like Nancy said, one of our main things, we always stop for a Dole Whip.
Mm.
The pool area has a giant swimming pool with a giant volcano
Yeah,
that spews water. It's right on the water. You can rent boats.
yeah.
Um, One of our little secret hints is that even if we're not going to the parks that day, we always go over to the Polynesian and go onto their beach to watch the fireworks
Yeah,
from
I
Magic
like
Kingdom.
that. That's really nice.
The music is actually pumped in over at the Polynesian.
Yep.
And we watched recently the electrical parade
Yeah, that was
from the
awesome too.
Polynesian.
Hmm.
So that's a lot of fun. So Polynesian is you can spend the most time exploring it. Then we go upstairs and we jump on the monorail and we take it over to the Grand Floridian.
Oh, also about the Polynesian, if you want to spend the money, but it's worth it, they have Ohana's restaurant there.
Yes,
Yeah, that's delicious food. It's a little pricey, but what isn't in
right.
Disney?
So now you can eat, right?
Yeah, it's all you can eat. It's very, very good.
Now jump back over to the Grand Floridian. We go over there. This is my least favorite, just because it's to me, it's very
Yeah.
sterile. But a lot of people love this resort. It's very fancy. We walked around the grounds there and actually
Hmm?
saw a wedding with Mickey and Minnie there,
Yeah,
remember?
that was really cool. Yeah, I love that.
And they have a big pool area and they have a lot to do, of course, at the Grand Floridian.
Yeah, I think it's beautiful. It's very, very beautiful.
Then we hop on the monorail again from the Grand Floridian. We take it around. It passes where our brick used to be. We used to have brick
Oh,
there, which
yeah,
was gone last time we went in.
yeah.
Takes us over through the main entrance to Magic Kingdom.
Hmm.
And a lot of times we'll get off at the main entrance and
Yeah.
go out there and pose for pictures right in front of the main street and stuff like
Hmm.
that. We can't get into the park, but it's a
No,
nice little area to visit.
yeah, it's a nice boat ride over there too,
Right.
if you want to do a boat ride.
So we get back on the monorail at that point and we take it to our last stop, which is the Contemporary.
Hmm.
Contemporary used to have, we could go on the top floor and watch the fireworks. They keep you off of that now, but you can watch some of the fireworks and you can see the electrical parade from there also, because the electrical parade goes around the whole Seven Seas Lagoon.
Hmm.
So that's another little secret thing. Contemporary, we explore the gift shop there. Chef Mickey's is another restaurant that we enjoy, the buffet there, and walk along the water also.
Hmm.
We get back on the monorail. Now, a lot of these resorts will spend extended time. We're not going into details on everything there, but
No.
there is restaurants and there are gift shops and there's just the grounds to walk around. We get back in the monorail again, and we take it back to the Polynesian,
Hmm.
and usually spend a little more time at the Polynesian before we head home, right?
Yeah.
And that concludes our trip around the monorail.
Yep. So one of my favorite time of the years to visit the resorts is during the holidays.
True.
Yes, especially the Grand Floridian with their beautiful decorated large, very large Christmas trees and the gingerbread house. That was awesome. We were able to see that the last time we were there because we were in January and they still had the decorations up.
Yeah,
So it was really
it's
nice.
not just the parks. You're absolutely right. The
Mm,
resorts are decked out quite a bit with
beautifully.
all the Christmas
Yeah.
decorations.
It was cool seeing that large gingerbread house at the Grand Floridian and the beautiful decorated Christmas trees. It was gorgeous.
So I guess Nancy's recommendation is if you have a choice, do resort hopping during the Christmas holidays.
Yeah,
If you don't have a choice, anytime is great.
right. I think they take the decorations down after New Year, I
That's what was
believe.
this year, yeah.
Yeah.
So you could go down after Christmas and
Hmm.
still catch some of the
Yep.
decorations.
And remember, stay young and have fun.